Hi there. Today we're talking about something that can save you a lot of money and spare you some major headaches down the line. And that's a whole home surge protector. Now, most of us use those little plug-in surge strips for things like computers or TVs, right? But here's the thing. What about the rest of your house? Your appliances, your smart devices, even your HVAC system. That's where a whole home surge protector really makes a difference. Here's how it works. It's installed right at your home's main electrical panel. And when a power surge hits, maybe from a lightning strike nearby, it stops that excess voltage from flowing into your home and damaging your electronics. And that matters because, let's face it, today's homes are full of sensitive tech. We're talking smart TVs, computers, washers, dryers, kitchen appliances, all of it. One strong surge, and boom, you could be looking at costly repairs or replacements. So, do you need one? Well, if you live in an area with frequent storms or power fluctuations, it's a no-brainer. But even if you don't, it's a smart way to protect all the investments you've made in your home. Now, cost-wise, you're usually looking at somewhere between $300 to $700 installed, depending on the model and local labor rates. But honestly, that's less than the cost of replacing just one major appliance, so it can definitely pay for itself. One thing to know, this is not a DIY project. Whole home surge protectors need to be hardwired into your panel, and that's a job for a licensed electrician. It's not something you want to mess with on your own. So if you want to protect your electronics and avoid surprise expenses, a whole home surge protector is a smart move. And remember, your EPB Energy Pros are here to help. We can schedule a free phone consultation or even come out for a no-cost home energy checkup. We'll go over surge protection and other ways to keep your home safe and efficient. Just call or text us at 423-648-1372. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.